Life isn't just all about living. It's about living for something, more about being ready to die for an idea that we live on than to live for one that we die on. It is not by coincidence then that only 8% of the world's population live their dream life. It is because it is hard. So it is hard living a job that you hate to find your purpose. It is hard starting something from nothing, but it is much more painful regretting not having done something you could have done. The average human lives about 8 years, and more than half of that life is spent at work. You don't want to tell me that you don't want to do what you love, what awakens every single cell in your body, what makes you feel alive. Every day, millions of people continue to do jobs that they hate, not because they don't feel obliged to higher calling, but because they are too afraid to change their little worlds they live in. So we could say little worlds, but ironically, they are little worlds, waking up every morning and not having a sense of purpose, constantly waiting for the weekends, when in the weekdays, feeling depressed, and I almost forgot, having high risk of getting a heart attack on Monday mornings. Forget about it, I have bills to pay and a family to look after, you'll say after watching this. But wait, there is something you're forgetting. Your dreams. There's always going to be a reason as to why we should not follow our purpose, but we must always find a reason as to why we should follow our purpose. Money is important, but hard work is equally important in making the money. In order to work hard, we must do what we love. There is no escape around this. And the funny thing is, the people who do what they love make more money. Look at Bill Gates, Oprah, Warren Buffett. They all do what they love. Research has shown that passionate people have more intelligence, are more creative, happy, and productive, and live longer than those who hate what they do. Do you now understand why you must find a job that you love, or put more love into your job? You only got one life, and once a second is gone, it is gone forever. Do not waste your lifetime on this planet doing what you hate, because on your deathbed you won't regret not having made much money, but you will regret not having reached your full potential. What are you good at? What do you love to do? What left the world, and what will pay you? Ask yourself these 4 questions and you will find your purpose. The secret to life is in giving, and if we can find an opportunity to give back to the world through our service, we shall be among us the few to change the world.